Izakhamuzi zaseNkomazi zithi sekuphele iminyaka kwakhiwa lesiphehle samanzi, kanti futhi zisola abamaloli athutha amanzi ngokuphazamisa ukwakhiwa kwalesi siphehle manzi.
It was an extension from 3 years ago, of which it has taken more than 5 years to finish. Even now, it's not yet complete. And what we've seen is that on the 23rd of December 2023, the municipality and the water tankers had an agreement whereby water tankers are now buying water from the municipality at 62 rand per load.
Kusenjalo, imeya kule ndawo ithi ukuphothulwa kokwakhiwa kwalesi siphehle manzi kubanjezelwa ukuthi kusekhona imigudu esalandelwa.
Lese sikulinzile bebabhizi ngema-test angisinaniqeda kwakho umhlamba kufuna nibuke ukuthi lamandi ahlobile yini ukuthi angayonathwa umphakathi singathi nethi nakuphela lo mhlamo sesireleasa emandi sekaya community kanti lamandi atafike anigulise.
Imeya yethembise ukuphenya ngalezi zinsolo ezivezwe izakhamuzi.